Open your workbook, page number 154, unit number 18. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the last lecture, we learned some words like shiny, climb, crumple, waves, fold, crane, golden, edge, and seal. Now, we are going to do some exercises to make them clear. Here is a picture. You have to look at the picture and write the words. The first picture is shiny. Second, crane. Third, waves. Fourth, climb. Fifth one is crumple. Sixth is seal. Seventh is fold. Eighth is edge. And ninth word is golden. Next page, page number 155. Look at the pictures and complete the puzzle. Here is a puzzle given. So we will complete it. And then we will write the mystery word. Okay, the first word is, what is it? It is shiny. Second is this paper, crumple. Number 3, climb. Number 4 is crane. Number 5, waves. Number 6, seal. Now you will write here in these boxes like this. So where will be the mystery word? The highlighted boxes will make a mystery word. SPIRAL. You will write it here. What does it mean? What is it? It is spiral. Now you have to match the beginnings of the sentences to the ends. The first sentence is, the sun is sometimes. So we will match it with C, a beautiful golden color. Second sentence is, it is dangerous to stand on. We will match it with E, the edge of a desk. Next is, to make a piece of paper into a bird. We will match it with A, we need to fold it. Next, many boys and girls. We will match it with B, like to climb trees. Next is, we can sometimes see. We will match it with D, seals swimming in the ocean. Now turn the page, page number 156. We are going to read this comprehension and then we will solve the exercise. A Mother's Day present. Kai likes art. He wants to make a special picture for his mother for Mother's Day. He does a drawing for his mother outside in the sun. He wants to make his picture interesting, but he doesn't know how. He asks his art teacher for help. She gives him some good ideas. She tells him to crumple dark blue paper and put it at the top for the sky. Kai thinks, I can use yellow paper for the sun and small stones in different colors for mountains. He uses glue to stick the stones to the paper. He uses a little sand for his mother and some pasta for the ground. He finishes the picture and takes it home. He gives his mother the collage for Mother's Day. She loves it and puts it on the wall. Turn the page, page number 157. What part of the story do you like? You have to tick. Kai, the teacher, the collage. You have to tick the in front of the word whatever you like. If you like Kai, you will tick in front of it. If you like the teacher, you will tick in front of it. And if you like the collage, then you will tick in front of it. Now the next is, answer the questions. What school subject does Kai like? Who does Kai ask for help? Why does he ask for help? And does Kai use pasta and sand in his collage? Now you have to do these 4 questions on your book where the space is given, and you can find the answer on page number 156. Okay, read this passage, comprehension passage again, and then circle true or false. Kai loves his mother very much. Is it true or false? If it is true, you have to circle true, and if it is false, you have to circle false. In the beginning, Kai's picture has color in it. Kai draws a picture for his mother in the sunlight. Kai's art teacher has good ideas. Kai makes a paper collage. Kai uses different yellow things. Kai is unhappy with his picture. Kai's family can see his picture every day. Okay, now think of something special you made for someone and then answer the question. You will write the answers where the space is given. The first question is, what did you make? Second is, who did you make it for? Third question, what did you use? Fifth question is, how did you make it? Sixth question is, did the person like it? Now open the page 158. There is an exercise of quantifiers. We have already go through the concept of quantifiers. Watch that video again, and now you have to do this exercise by yourself on page number 158. Thank you everyone, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.